Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sew this AirPod case, so let's get started. Here are the pattern pieces. First, put the fusible fleece on the main fabric like this. Then put the main fabric on top of the lining right side to right side. After that, take this piece and put it on top of the fusible fleece like this and trace around the curve. It will look like this. From the seam allowance, go up 4 inches and mark it. After that, fold this piece in the middle, then fold the sides on that line. After that, fold it closed. Sew a 1/8 stitch at the edge. We're going to put this part in between the main fabric and lining about 5/8. And this line is where we will stop. Put it in between the fabrics and stop at the line. Put 2 clips so it doesn't move. Then sew from here to the end of the curve. Don't stop sewing here and then sew down. Sometimes when you do it this way, the curve on top is not sharp. After that, we're going to sew from the top and leave 2 inches open on the side and continue sewing all the way around. When you get to the D-ring tab, sew on top of it 2 to 3 times so it's secured inside. Then continue sewing a little past the curve, then backstitch. Cut off the fabric around the curve and leave about 1/4. Then turn it inside out. You can use a point turner so that the corners become sharp. Fold in the open area and press it with an iron. Next, measure from the bottom 5 inches and put a pin. Fold the fabric to the 5-inch mark and sew from here all the way around. To close the pouch, I used a plastic snap button. I folded the fabric in the middle, then I made a hole where I want the button to be. After that, I put the cap in and I closed it with the female socket. So for the bottom, I just pressed down from the top so it could leave a little print. Then I made a hole and put the cap in and then I closed it with the male stud. We now have a pouch for an AirPod Pro. I love these. You can put a wrist key fob to put your keys. You can also add a coin purse too. You can sew the AirPod pattern the same way, but for the D-ring tab, you can go up from the seam allowance 4 3/4 instead of the 4 inches. Put the ring tab in between the 2 fabrics and fold the pouch pocket 2 3/4 instead of the 3 inches we did for the AirPod Pro case, okay? If you purchase from me, I want to thank you. This is my first pattern on Etsy and there's more to come. Enjoy your AirPod pouch and I'll see you in the next video.